easy pie crust recipe. It's gonna be edible. And if it's not, so what? Put on your best poker face, serve it up, everybody's gonna be thankful. If they're not, take away their plate of pumpkin pie. Stop complaining pretty quick. 2.5 cups of flour. Pinch of salt, not a punch. 1 teaspoon of sugar in. Ta-da! Have some fun when you're making your pie crust. It's soothing to done. Mixeroo. Butter. Make sure your butter's cold and unsalted. Cup of butter, we want to cube it. Let's try this here. I don't have faith in this blender. Whoa, no. I just turned quick and easy into long, painful, and hard. Calling an audible. For that big cluster, save this pie crust. Don't want to work that too much. Make this the best pie crust. A little press. Sometimes old school is the best. How to make the best pie crust that you can in your own kitchen. Boom! By pressing down from the center out towards the exterior. Your rolling pin, roll away halfway through the crust and roll towards you. Roll away and roll towards you. I want to have at least an inch rolling pin. Up one side, roll over, take the other side, roll over, lift, place in the center, unroll, unroll. Thanks, Mom. My mom taught me that one years ago. Lift up those edges, press just down into the corner. Excellent. Once that's in there, take your knife, find the edge. There we go. A few holes in here. Pie crust to breathe a little bit. Pie crust is ready. It's perfectly fine to leave it like that. I'm gonna make this a little bit fancy. Pinch, make that a little bit fancier.